How to download Pinterest video on an iPhone or Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. It's very simple. First you open the Pinterest app and you have to search for a video. For example, I select this video, I open it, and here there are three dots. I click on that, and here you'll find many options, but you have to click on copy link. Once you copied the link, you have to go back and open your browser and you have to search for Pinterest downloader. That's the official website that will come here. Once this opens, click pin will come here, and then you have to just paste here and you have to click on download. Then this option will come of the video and you can click on download the video, download the artwork, but click on the first option of download the video and you'll be able to download the video. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.